school, first learn the work properly. This is going to work for you in further. What kind of collector should be writing my reading? Quickly, what's this?
Mataji, please take again admission to Meera in school. It is very important to take education to Meera.
You shut up. Education is the work of boys. They here to take on responsibility of a work.
What is going on? Who is responsible for whose responsibility and our child? Meera, why are you crying?
Doctor Madam said grandmother not allowing me to go to school and says what you here to do with education.
This is not Mataji. You do not think we do have a hand education. Today the society have an allotment. Which wall are you talking about? We are living in 21st century today. I will take to teacher Didi and take admission in the school for Meera. I came here to know that have you give the drops of polio to Munna or not. Here the many camps available for polio. Well then doctor, you come here. Now we will give drops of polio to Munna and also drops to Meera in the school. Okay Meera, you please don't cry. You will surely go to school and one day you will surely become doctor like me. Okay son, I am good. Daughter-in-law, please bring me a glass of water please. Okay father-in-law, I am coming. Take this. See this newspaper. How beautiful are the thoughts about the we love. Daughter, come. I will tell you this thought. A daughter is one of the most beautiful gifts the world has to give. Daughter are not a danger. Daughter are equal to 10 sons.
So funny. I do not like this. Anybody else in our?
Come Didi, we all are waiting for you.
I wait for a few days and so I did not come here. Doctor Madam told me that you have not ever taken education in school for Meera. She is very intelligent girl and always had a good number of passes.
Even I should say that Meera should go to school too and take more education. But listen to me here.
Okay, you motivation to girl and send her out. When there is a mistake, there will be no place to hide the face. Oh mother, you took the matter of your legs to complete Meera to study. Still in class and further, we will think it further.
Yes, teacher Didi, we will send Meera to school. We will not make her like illiterate woman. I will give her full education.
Get ready to Meera tomorrow. I will pick up to Meera. So I say, well, Dadaji,
Yes, my child, you told me.
how many times do I told that a lot? Meera, to go to school. Oh well, goodbye. Thank you.
धन्यवाद. या ठिकाणी कृष्ण